I definitely just really feel at home here, and I love being here.
IU means for me success, family, home, community, diversity.
IU is definitely a place that I consider home.
IU is everything. It's my home, it's where I learn, it's just a beautiful school.
As IU was home for me after the first semester. I was going home, I was looking in my rearview mirror and I saw campus and I realized that this was actually my home.
1, 2, 3.
I was able to find my home at IU by getting involved on campus. I think that's the best way to meet a lot of great people, find purpose, and then also really build some friendships that last for all 4 years.
It's like the campus feels big, but if you're here for a couple of weeks, it definitely gets smaller. You get to know more people, and the more people you know, the smaller it definitely gets.
The thing that I've learned just being here and being around like everyone who goes here is if you surround yourself with the right people, you'll always be on the right track to where you want to be to succeed.
I really found my home in the residence halls by making a lot of friends, keeping my door open, meeting new people.
Students, I suggest having an open mind. You're going to meet all sorts of people and learn all sorts of new things. The sooner you're able to adapt and really just be flexible with everything that you're learning, you can really become quite the scholar very fast.
If they have classes for every class, I always go up to my professor and introduce myself. Tell them my name, just tell them a little bit more about me.
I engaged as a student on campus. I joined intramural teams. I played on an intramural basketball team. I definitely went to all the sporting events.
Every time here I didn't feel like I belonged. From the first day here, it was kind of like a rough transition to college, and I just felt very supported by everyone here. I never felt like I hadn't belonged here.